Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG countertop ice maker and the Nugget ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, ice production capabilities, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the SMUG countertop ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69, making it an attractive choice for those looking for an affordable ice-making solution. On the other hand, the Nugget ice maker comes with a premium price tag of $209, reflecting its advanced features and higher daily ice production capacity. If you're on a tight budget, the SMUG might be the way to go, but if you're willing to invest more for quality, the Nugget ice maker could be worth it. In terms of ice production, the SMUG countertop ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of bullet ice in 24 hours, which is decent for casual use. However, the Nugget ice maker excels in this category, producing a whopping 35.5 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice in the same time frame. If you're hosting a party or need a consistent supply of ice, the Nugget ice maker's higher production capacity may be more suitable for your needs. Another important factor to consider is the type of ice produced. The SMUG countertop ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cocktails and drinks, but may not be preferred by everyone. In contrast, the Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is often favored for its texture and ability to chill drinks quickly. If you have a preference for one type of ice over the other, this could significantly influence your decision. In conclusion, both the SMUG countertop ice maker and the Nugget ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The SMUG is an affordable, portable option with decent ice production, while the Nugget ice maker offers higher production capacity and a premium ice type. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.